Just going up close to the lens and shouting to get your point across is not a good way to get people to listen to you. And in fact, this actually applies both to videos and in real life. If you're in real life and talking to somebody and maybe you're having a debate and you try and get your point across simply by shouting, then you probably won't get listened to. That person probably won't want to converse with you in the future. But if you have a good debate and actually say valid points, then that person will probably be very reciprocal of what you're saying. And that applies to video as well. If you're finding you're not getting engagement in your videos, then maybe you're not talking about something that you're very passionate about. I think that's a very important factor. Using myself as an example, I'm really passionate about technology, primarily sort of smart home technology, cameras and photography and videography, and smartphones and computers. I've got quite a wide range of interests. I'm really passionate about testing this technology and then sharing my findings with you so you can make an informed buying decision. And in fact, that's the premise of why I started up the Geekanoids channel almost 14 years ago. And I think if you're passionate about the subjects that you're talking about, you haven't got to put on some sort of act. You can just be yourself. And as long as you're actually delivering valid, interesting points in your videos and in your conversations off camera, then you will find that people will naturally be very interested in what you've got to say. So I hope that's helped a little bit. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. You see what I mean? Don't forget to subscribe. It just doesn't work. I'll see you in another video very soon.